Yeah, it's great to be here at the K-Show because this is really the meeting place for the plastics industry, but also the recycling industry. And we are here in the middle of the recycling hall, and most people are interested in PET recycling, but also the polyolefins. We are coming from the PET recycling because PET already has a closed loop. And we also try to establish this closed loop for the polyolefins, which means mainly HDPE, polypropylene, and also stuff like BOPP and LDPE. And sometimes you have a lot of flexibles in these polyolefins. This is a main difference compared to the PET. But we have been trying to adapt our machinery, and we have realized the first references for polyolefins, which is in Grünstadt in Germany. And there we recycle the white and transparent HDPE to a near new quality, which is excellent for higher class applications. For example, we reduce the order and we really clean the material that you can go into a product that is white or transparent again. And you do not need to make a pipe from it or a flower pot. So we really get close into this closed loop circle and come back to the original product as close as possible.